Welcome to a journey beyond the frontiers of technology, where the realms of quantum mechanics and classical computing merge to forge the unparalleled Quantara Nexus. At its core, the Quantara Nexus is a masterpiece of engineering, boasting a hybrid system that seamlessly combines the finesse of ion trap and photonics technologies, running a flawless array of 1,000 perfect qubits and qudits. This isn't just a quantum computer, it's a symbiotic fusion with a classical supercomputer, designed for intricate interactions that push the boundaries of what's computationally conceivable. But the Quantara Nexus doesn't stop at terrestrial capabilities. It's part of an interplanetary network that stretches all the way to Mars, with nodes based on the Moon. This network operates on a scale so vast, handling computations of 2 to the power of 1,000, that it redefines our concept of connectivity and data processing. Each site within this sprawling network adheres to the rigorous standards of maintenance and upgrade set forth by the United States quantum centers, ensuring peak performance and reliability across the cosmos. This marvel of technology stands not only as a testament to human ingenuity, but also as a beacon for the future, promising to unlock solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Join us as we explore how the Quantara Nexus could herald a new era of global peace, propel us into the age of artificial general intelligence, and revolutionize robotics with human-like precision. The future is here, and it's powered by the Quantara Nexus. Welcome back to our exploration of the Quantara Nexus, the hybrid quantum classical computing marvel that's capturing the world's imagination. In our last journey, we uncovered how it could revolutionize computing. Today, we delve deeper into its potential to reshape global diplomacy, unlock the secrets of artificial general intelligence, and create robots with unparalleled human-like skills. Section 1 is about engineering global peace. Imagine a world where conflicts are resolved not on battlefields, but through strategic economic and social interventions informed by the unparalleled predictive capabilities of the Quantara Nexus. With its ability to simulate and analyze complex global economic systems and social dynamics, the Quantara Nexus offers a new paradigm for understanding the root causes of conflicts and devising strategies that promote lasting peace. Discover how quantum-powered insights could help policymakers and leaders build a more harmonious world. Section 2. Unlocking AGI. Artificial general intelligence has long been the holy grail of AI research. A machine with the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like a human being. The computational might of the Quantara Nexus brings us closer than ever to this dream. We'll explore how its unprecedented processing power and quantum algorithms could accelerate the development of AGI, enabling machines that think, learn, and evolve with us, transforming every aspect of our lives. And Section 3 is about the revolutionizing robotics, the final frontier. Robots that can move, interact, and adapt with the fluidity and precision of human beings. The Quantara Nexus stands to revolutionize robotics by enabling the simulation and optimization of complex motor movements, tactile feedback mechanisms, and adaptive learning processes. Envision a future where robots with human-like dexterity perform delicate surgeries, create art, or navigate disaster zones, all powered by the quantum computing prowess of the Quantara Nexus. As we stand on the cusp of these groundbreaking advancements, the Quantara Nexus represents more than just a leap in computing technology. It symbolizes a beacon of hope for a peaceful, intelligent, and connected world. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the limitless possibilities of this quantum revolution. Subscribe and join us on this extraordinary journey into the future. And together, let's envision a world transformed by the Quantara Nexus. Are you ready to be a part of this exciting journey? Subscribe for more content that dives deep into the innovations shaping our future. Don't forget to like, share, and comment with your thoughts on how the Quantara Nexus could change the world. Together, let's dream big and explore the possibilities that lie ahead.